Welcome to this installation guide for AlistoIR Professional. In this video, we will deploy AlistoIR Professional on an Ubuntu server using the official installation script. We will then access the platform, complete the initial setup, and activate the professional license by uploading the provided license file. AlistoIR Professional is an AI-assisted incident response platform designed to help security teams centralize alerts, accelerate investigation, manage cases, enrich indicators, and improve the overall incident response process. Assuming you have downloaded AlistoIR Professional to your computer. Now, let's transfer the zip file to the Ubuntu server. On the Ubuntu server, let's verify that the zip file was transferred successfully. Now, let's install the unzip utility so we can extract the zip file. Now, let's create a directory, extract the zip file into it, and then navigate to that directory. Now, let's make the installer executable. Now, let's configure the installation script and run it to install AlistoIR. After the installation is complete, copy all the credentials generated by AlistoIR and save them in a secure location. Now, let's access AlistoIR Professional in a web browser and log in using the credentials you saved. Now, let's upload the license file provided by AlistoIR to activate all the features of AlistoIR Professional. AlistoIR Professional is now successfully installed, licensed, and ready to use. You can now begin integrating your security tools, managing alerts and cases, and using AI-assisted investigation capabilities to streamline your incident response workflow. Thank you for watching. For more information, documentation, and support, visit the official AlistoIR website.